What's up again, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video with your boy Skinny, man. And today in this video, as y'all can see by the title, man, my Panda Dunks finally came in the mail, man. So we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing, man, and go ahead and show y'all what those look like, man. Before we even get into the video, make sure y'all scroll down to the bottom, man, and make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, bro, because we're trying to get to 200 subscribers, man. We almost there, so I just need y'all to subscribe to the channel so we can get up there, man. Make sure y'all leave a like on the video and do not forget to comment and let me know what y'all think about these, man. So, man, I got the shoe right here in hand, man. As y'all can see, man, like I said, man, I'm very excited to open this box, man. First Panda Dunks that I finally hit for, man. You know what I'm saying? They released about 4 or 5 times, something like that. They release hella times, bro, and no matter how many times they release, the resale value stays the same. Like, the resale value stays at either what, $250, in between $250 and $280, probably to $300, depending on certain sizes. But today in this size, I do have a personal size 9, man. You know what I'm saying? And then before we got into those pandas, man, over the 2 weeks, man, I haven't been uploading. You know what I'm saying? I had picked something up. If you guys know what this lid right here is, man, yes, it is the ones, man. You know, what are these? The patchwork ones. You know what I mean? I think that's what they call them. Like I said, these right here give me just biohack vibes. Came with, you know what I'm saying, 2 pair of spare laces. You know what I mean? I think I might lace them up with the black ones. But like I said, man, I picked these up, man. So let me know what y'all think about these shoes right here in the comment section. I think these right here are pretty dope. I was mad I missed out on the first pair, but I finally caught one. So let's go, man. Smash the like button for these right here. We got the Nike signs going all the way around, as you can see, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Go ahead and pulling that lid back, man. We do got our standard white paper. Like, it's crazy, folks. It's crazy though, because like all the dunks did come in this box. Even like the dunk highs I have, they all came in this box basically. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, pulling that lid back, man, as y'all can see, man. Bam, man. We do got our Panda Dunks right here, bro. You know what I'm saying? First time hitting. You know what I mean? And I gotta just say, man, I'm surprised I hit, because, you know what I'm saying, I just randomly went for him. You know what I mean? I got the notification. I went ahead and went in, put in my, you know, my credentials and shit like that, and we went ahead and hit for a pair for retail, bro. So, man, make sure y'all smash the like button for that, man. You feel me? Because, like I said, man, we hit retail. You feel me? If you paying resale, man, it is by all means everybody's all choice what they do with their money. But me personally, I decide to pay all retail, man. Like, I can't go for resale, you know what I'm saying? Because there's replicas out there, you know what I mean? You don't know who you can trust, stuff like that. And people really selling replicas for the real shoe price. So, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys watch out for the replicas, and make sure y'all stay up on your flex points, because that's what I hit on these. I think I hit these on I hit these on the Nike restock, you know what I'm saying? So they had a Nike restock. If you hit on the Nike restock, man, smash the like button, bro, because those restocks, man, I don't know what they're doing, but they're releasing a lot of dunks at the time. But I just went specifically for the Panda lows, you know what I'm saying, because it's a versatile shoe. It's black and white. It goes with everything, you know what I mean? And we hit for retail, man. So go ahead and smash the like button for that, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel too. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this review. Let's get it. Now, as you can see, man, starting out from the outsole, you know what I'm saying, we got that original all black dunk outsole, the same outsole we get on the dunks, same outsole we get on the Jordan 1s, you know what I mean? Same outsole, man. Then going into the midsole, as you can see, we got the original black and white midsole, you know what I mean? The same original midsole we get on all the dunks. Going into the upper mesh, as you guys see, we got that fresh black leather going across. You know what I'm saying? We got the black leather, we got the white leather, we got the black Nike check. Man, we got all that, man. You know what I'm saying? Nike check verified. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, we got our standard black shoelaces. We got the white toe box, if y'all can see that. We got the white toe box, standard black shoelaces, and also we got the white tongue with the black and white Nike tab. You see, we got an all white insole, midsole, whatever they want to call them. And then going into the back of the shoe, as you can see, we got the Nike black and white Nike sign with the black and white leather and the black and white midsole, man. So I mean, like I said, man, these are fresh. These are super fresh, man. These right here kind of remind me of, what is it, the navy lows and the Spartan greens, like, you know what I'm saying. But you know, they all the same thing, but you know what I mean, it just kind of glows like that to me. But either way, black and white Nike Dunk Pandas, man, make sure y'all smash the like button for these right here, man, because these right here are dope, man. So I'm glad I hit for a pair for retail, and if you hit for a pair for retail, man, smash the like button and comment. Let me know what y'all think about these. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, alright, man, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace.